Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you ran across this video, then you know what? That means that you are on a budget for all 2025 and then some, and you're looking for the best quality products, that work with your budget. So I am a solo cleaner. I do have my own cleaning company, and this video was actually recorded about a year ago. And I'm telling you, even though I'm still new to the game, I'm learning. So I thought while I'm on my journey of learning, getting clients, how about I share some of the products that I've used that clients really, really love and I get great feedback? So, with the cleaning paste, I did find it in Ross. And a tip that I could provide you is I'm telling you, places like Ross, they have really good deals when it comes to cleaning products. So, if you're on a budget, give those places a try and see what you find. And I'm telling you, it'll save you some money. So, with the cleaning paste, I like to let it sit in the area that I'm cleaning, on the surface that I'm cleaning. I like to let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, get the job done. And I did end up going in her shower and using the mildew spray that you see there. And I used a broom to go ahead and get those areas that might be a little hard for me to reach. And this is actually practicing good body mechanics when it comes to cleaning. You're doing a lot of bending, you're doing all these things with your body, and you want to save your back. What does it mean to save your back? It means to practice good body mechanics, and that means being careful when you're reaching, those hard places. So when I'm cleaning, I have to keep that in mind as well. Y'all, I'm just being silly. Don't pay no mind to me. But I like to let my products sit, like I mentioned earlier. And also, it's really good to utilize products that don't have that strong bleach smell or have very harsh chemicals that will have you knocked out. Also, use a mask when you're cleaning. It helps you. You're not breathing in all those chemicals that could have you literally laid out. So this is just me showing you how I'm spraying everything, letting it sit, and then going after it with the broom. And I'm telling you, my client really loved the outcome of how I cleaned her bathroom, how her shower was spotless. And yeah, these are some great tips to follow. Listen, we are not using Windex anymore. We are using glass cleaner. Okay, no shade to Windex, maybe a little shade, but glass cleaner will really get the job done. I get so many compliments when it comes to certain things that I clean in their home. They're like, "Oh my gosh, what do you use?" And I swear by the glass cleaner. A family member actually put me onto this because I'm always learning, always online trying to find the best products to use that, work with my wallet, but also get great results. And it's good to get in there. So even if you're not a solo cleaner, and you're just someone who's looking to get the best results when it comes to cleaning your home, your apartment, your condo, whatever it is, wherever you're at, I'm telling you, I swear by these products. Also, the Scrub Daddy, everything will be linked in the description box. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, I have more videos to come about starting as a solo cleaner with a company. And I have so many stories, y'all, from the good to the bad. And it's just learning lessons as I go. But I'm telling you, this client really enjoyed the results. I usually like to take the client and, hey, let's just do a little walkthrough afterwards. Is there anything that you see? Is there anything that you want me to work on? Is there something that you're not satisfied with? So these are good tips as well. And all of these products that you see in the video was under $10, which is great. And like I'm telling you, if you're out there shopping, you end up at a Ross or somewhere else, go in the sections that have their cleaning products and see what's on sale. You'll never know what you'll find. I swear by this spray. The spray is good, the paste is good, all the products are amazing. It's not overpowering. You will love it. So let me know what you thought about this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video.